MDT stock analysis tomorrow, Friday and onward. Is Medtronic stock a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Sitting at $3, I myself with MDT would come here to the weekly or the monthly chart. Honestly, this looks phenomenal, right? Phenomenal. Looking for potential buys. So the way that I would approach it is, haven't made a video on it in a while, but it was like a simple double break approach, which I still would do. So how's that gonna look like? It's simple, man. Like, let's go daily. So if I would love to buy, which I am, I would love to buy. I want to see the price pull back into my zone here. Give me the rules, and only then I would buy. So obviously, not financial advice, but this is the way that I would approach it. For more context, I'm using my strategy and system that's giving me thousands of wins. So if you want to learn the strategy framework and system for free, check out the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.